In exercise 4.5, they ask you to make a cam that's something like this. I think they asked you to actually make this a square hole instead of a round one. So let's actually go back and change that right now. And, well, maybe not. This looks a little complicated with the way that we made this. I'll let you go back and fix that so it's a square hole. But it also asks you to test this out to make a motion graph. And to do that, you have to have a file that I've shared with you, but you can't just open up the file that I shared with you. You have to make a copy of it into your folder first. So let's look and see what that would look like. First, let's save this one. And I'm going to go to Save As because I already have a folder that this is in. And instead of it being in my cams folder, we're going to put this in an automata folder. So on your computer, if you go to your name and then into Inventor, inside of Inventor, if you don't have a folder yet, right click and say New Folder and make a new folder called Automata. Save your cam in there. Now that this is saved in the right folder, I'm going to click on my Start menu and go to Computer. I'm going to go into the shared drive, BCHS, PLTW for Project Lead the Way, IED for Intro to Engineering. This is a Unit 4 project, and this is under the new curriculum. This is an automata simulation. Hold down, or just click on the very first one, hold down Shift, and click on Ruler. Let go of Shift, hold down Control, and uncheck the project file. Now if you right click, go down to Copy, and I want you to go back to your name, into Inventor, into the automata file, right click, and hit Paste. And now everything is in your name under your Inventor folder for the automata project, and you shouldn't have any issues. This is going to be what you're testing it in, and you will have to modify your cam so that it has the right planes to link up with the handle in here. But you're going to have the cam follow the follower. You're going to check to see how much it changes the height of this follower. Okay, so the cam should push that up and down. And there should be a ruler that we can import into here. If I go to the right place. So again, this is under Inventor. This is part of the automata project we just put in. I made a ruler for you as well, so we're going to open that up and place that in here. And we're going to measure to see how much does the follower change. And you're measuring the total displacement. So if it goes from 4 inches up to, I guess I have to look at this part instead. If it's going from 6 inches up to here and back down again, you'd write down that it was a 1/4 of an inch displacement. If it only went to here, that'd be an 1/8 inch displacement. So it doesn't have to start at 0. You could. It doesn't have to. But you're going to create a motion graph using this ruler and this assembly that you have to make a copy of before it will work.